Sa basketball, ito yung tanong ng karamihan. May tsansa nga kaya ang Gilas laban sa New Zealand Tall Blacks na ilang beses nang binigo ang ating mga pambato? Alamin natin ang tingin ni basketball analyst at historian Jay Mercado tungkol dito sa aking report. Dalawang panalo sa Window 2 ang kailangan ng Gilas Pilipinas upang makatanggap ng automatic qualification sa 2025 FIBA Asia Cup. Pero hindi yan magiging madali dahil makakatunggali nila sa opening game ng FIBA Asia Cup Qualifiers Window 2 ang koponan ng New Zealand mamayang alas 7:30 ng gabi sa Mall of Asia Arena. Sa kabila nito, kumpiyansa ang basketball analyst at historian na si Jay Mercado na mataas ang tsansa ng mga Pinoy na gulatin ang mga higante ng world number 22 team.
We haven't beaten New Zealand yet, okay, in this kind of situation. But I've always thought that this is the best time for us to beat New Zealand. Why? Number one, we're playing them against them here at home. Okay? Number two, I think New Zealand's roster is relatively new. No, I'm not saying they're inexperienced, but they're relatively new. So hindi ito yung normal na New Zealand team na nakita natin noong 2015 when we played against them in the OQT. At least yung mga NBA players nila, no, I don't think they're here now. Okay? Or at least yung former NBA players din nila, I don't think they're here now as well. So it's a relatively new and younger team who probably are still adjusting to one another. No, so that's an advantage that we already have against New Zealand. No.
Dagdag pa ni Mercado, malaking bagay din na sigurado ng makapaglalaro si 7'3" center Kai Sotto para sa ating pambansang koponan.
Well, I think we badly need Kai Sotto there. No? For what we know, alam ko, the New Zealand will be bringing in the 7-footer yata. So malaking bagay yun kasi we have a 7'3" guy in Kai Sotto who can match up against that particular big man ng New Zealand. Plus the fact that we have to understand now, during the OQT, napagsabay ni Coach Tim Cone si Kai at si Junmar Fajardo sa laro. Very unusual yan. Baka, kasi marami sinasabi na pareho silang 5 at babagal masyado yung team if ever magsabay yung dalawa. But he actually was very successful in having those two guys play together.
Sa ngayon, tabla sa tuktok ng Group B standings ang Gilas at NZ Tall Blacks na may tig-2 panalo. Sa linggo naman, November 24, makakaharap ng Gilas ang koponan ng Hong Kong sa Mall of Asia Arena pa rin.